this is Paul. Yeah. Some precedents. Yeah. Mm. One of those precedent-setting cases where YouTube wants to be named as a defendant. Yeah. Now, a court decision in an earlier case with facts and law similar to a dispute currently before a court. Precedent will ordinarily govern the decision of a latter or similar case. Unless a party can show that it was wrongly decided or that it differed in some significant way. Yeah. Mhm. Now, some precedent is binding, meaning that it must be followed. Maybe Brady. Yeah. Exculpatory evidence. Yes. Maryland. Yeah. That Florida case I was talking about. Yeah. Yeah. Now, other precedents need not be followed by the court, but can be considered influential. The Solis Marcel Auburn. Yeah. Influential. Yeah. I think we have a precedent-setting case as it involves the use of State versus Miller. Yeah. And Auburn, Washington. Right now, where it really violates the intent of the Washington State Domestic Violence Act. Yeah. To not have to actually attempt serving the respondent. No. Not now. July or June 1st. Yes. Not having to consider any due process because of the accusation of mental illness. July 8th of 2011. August 12th of 2011. Precedent setting when on trial for the accusation of violating a protection order. Yeah. Is it lawful to petition the court to renew a protection order while on trial? Yes. Where the defendant could incriminate themselves if they were to appear in court. Could be some precedents there. Yes. Binding. And then there's the thought of the same judge hearing the family law case and the protection order case at the same time. Yeah. Where on the one side you see him 5 different times in the same month. And you'd say the family law commissioner has to hear all the cases of the protection order and the dissolution of marriage. And that you could become confused because of the number of times that the petitioner appears in court when wanting her parenting plan. Yeah. And wanting that temporary order for child support. Yes. And then there's the precedent-setting case. Yes. Is there an obligation to have proof of service before having court hearings where the respondent is accused of domestic violence? Or can you just say it's good enough to mail it? And then there's the whole thought of the United Nations marriage certificate. Can you as a court dissolve a United Nations marriage? Could set precedents for the rest of the nation. What are the limitations of the jurisdiction of the United States of America? And then there's another precedent-setting case where you, as an individual, have made 40,000 videos. Yeah. And the state legislatures, the individuals in the employment of government, feel no obligation to have to watch your videos, much less than actually getting a copy for themselves. Well, they know they're not spending $11.99 as a sheriff's department, as a police department, as any oath of office in the state of Washington would not spend that amount of money to have a copy for themselves.